Secret formula. How I aced the CET exam with zero studying, guaranteed. Okay, guys, you won't believe this. I just got my results back for the CET exam, and, wait for it, I got a perfect score. I still can't believe it. My jaw literally dropped when I saw it on the screen. So, for those who don't know, the CET is a huge deal. It plays a major role in getting accepted into the program I've been dreaming of. Now, let's rewind a bit and talk about the crazy journey I went on to get this score. Let's be honest, studying for the CET was brutal. The sheer amount of material was daunting, and the pressure to perform well was insane. I mean, this exam basically decides my future. I felt like everyone around me was a freaking genius, and I was constantly worried I wouldn't be good enough. But I wasn't going to let that fear get the best of me. I built a rock-solid study schedule, focusing on topics that historically gave me trouble. I created flashcard mountains, practiced past exams until I could do them in my sleep, and even formed a study group with some super smart classmates, lifesavers, by the way. Finally, the exam day arrived. I felt like a nervous wreck, but I channeled all that energy into focusing on the questions. After what felt like an eternity, I turned in my test and practically sprinted out of the exam hall. Then, the wait for results began, the longest week of my life. When I finally saw that perfect score staring back at me, all the stress, all the late nights, everything, it was all worth it. Relief, excitement, a little bit of disbelief. It was a roller coaster of emotions. Looking back, this whole CET experience taught me the power of hard work and dedication. It wasn't easy, but staying focused and finding the right study strategies made all the difference. Huge thanks to everyone who supported me along the way. Let me know in the comments below what exams you guys are conquering, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on academic success. Let's crush those textbooks together.